Hi, I'm Leila Yusuf from Compass. Welcome to Tribeca. We are at 497 Greenwich Penthouse A. This is a triplex penthouse with multiple outdoor space, 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. And I cannot wait to take you on a tour of this amazing place. The most important thing when you walk into this home is the ceiling to floor window with full of light and an open space. It also has natural elements, including this beautiful stone wall and this wood from a farm in upstate New York. This living room is great to just chill out with your friends when you have your fireplace on, and also a beautiful view of the Hudson River. Just right off the living room, you have this beautiful European kitchen with all the amenities you'll expect, and a beautiful table that sits 12 people for dinner, with a custom cabinet with wine storage. But let me show you what I love most about this room. This terrace gives you the best views of New York City, and this is why you want to live in downtown New York. And this is just one of the 4 terraces in this penthouse. And in this terrace, you can also appreciate the ceiling to floor windows. And on the second floor, we have more to see. Come join me. The main bedroom has an incredible view of the Hudson River through this incredible floor-to-ceiling windows. And if you want privacy, all you have to do is flip a switch. It also has the continuation of the natural elements like this wood column. The ensuite bath has one of the most incredible views. There's also a second bedroom, but I'm taking you upstairs. The crown jewel of this penthouse is this amazing roof terrace garden with a shower, a barbecue, and with this outdoor dining space. And there is a second level with an amazing view of downtown New York. Look at this postcard view of downtown Manhattan with all the landmarks of downtown, the Four Seasons, 56 Leonard, and the World Trade Center, and more to come. This is one-of-a-kind penthouse, and I am so grateful I was able to show you. Thanks for taking a look.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.